This Real Estate Advantage property video is presented by Julia McMahon. Welcome to this charming first-floor condo in desirable Chautauqua Estates. Enjoy stunning lake views with no steps for easy access. The open floor plan features a breakfast bar that seats 4, a cozy wood-burning fireplace, and a spacious patio perfect for relaxing or entertaining. Step onto the private balcony and take in the beautiful sunsets. Community amenities include tennis and pickleball courts, a heated swimming pool, picnic areas, and a playground. This condo comes mostly furnished and is tastefully decorated, ready for you to move in and enjoy. Don't miss this opportunity for carefree lakeside living. For more information, review the details below or contact Julia McMahon at 716-484-2020.